Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to adjust the shipping price on Whatnot, lower shipping. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and adjust the shipping price on Whatnot. So if you're a seller and want the buyers to pay less for shipping, there are two main ways to do it. You can offer reduced shipping. So you can open the Whatnot app and go to the Seller Hub, then go to Settings. So basically, when you go to the Seller Hub, it is here in the bottom side of the screen. So we have, as you can see, 5 options. Is it the middle option? You need to go and click on Sell. Then, when you click on there, you will go to the Seller Hub, go to Settings, then Shipping Settings, and go in Shipping Costs. And you can choose Buyers pay all shipping, the default. Buyer pays up a set shipping cost, so you set the maximum amount the buyer pays and you cover anything above that. And seller pays all shipping, buyers get free domestic shipping and you cover the cost. For example, if shipping actually costs 12 US dollars, but you can cap the buyer shipping at 5, the buyer pays 5 and you're covered the remaining 7. Availability of these options depends on the seller's country and account. And that's how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.